Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna do a complete front-end bulb replacement guide, both Xenon and non-Xenon, for Alfa 159, Brera and Spider. I'm gonna start with the low beam Xenon first. To gain access to him, I'm gonna twist off this protective cover, just like that. Alright, here's a better look. As you can see right here, the bulb is held in place by these two wires, so all we gotta do is press them in and get them off these notches. The bulb type is gonna be the D1S 35 watt. Now I'm gonna pull it out. And to undo the connector, all we gotta do is pull it off. Now, if your Alfa 159 doesn't have the Xenon headlights, it has the H7 bulbs. To undo the connectors, gently pull them off. And to remove the bulb, push on this metal clip and pull it to the left side. Just like that. Now you can remove the bulb. Moving on to the front indicator and the side light. Again, to remove the protective cover, you just gotta twist it off. To get to the indicator bulb, all you gotta do is twist off the housing, just like that. To remove the bulb, push it in and twist it off. Now, the side light can be a bit tricky to remove due to the lack of space, but the design is very simple. Just grab onto the bulb housing handle right here and pull it toward yourself. The bulb is very easy to remove, just pull it out. Lastly, we got the high beam, and it's even harder to get to. If you want to gain more access, remove this connector by pulling this gray piece to the side. Again, twist off the protective cover. And here's the better look. Now, to remove the connector, just pull it off. Now, to remove the bulb, pull on these protective wires and push them to the side. And there is the H1 bulb. Again, if your car doesn't have the Xenon headlights, your high beam headlight is not gonna be the H1 but H7. Just pull off the connector, and just as with the low beam, push this metal clip in and to the left. This will give you the access to the bulb. The side indicator is fairly easy to replace. Grab one of your trim removal tools, or if you have a small flathead screwdriver. Place it right here and gently push on the indicator. As I said, be very gentle because these tend to come apart. As you can see, this metal piece right here is what's holding them in place. To undo the connector, pull on this plastic clip and pull it out. Now, to gain access to the bulb, just twist off the housing. As all of the other W5W bulbs, to remove it, all we gotta do is pull it out. Moving on to the last one, which would be the fog light bulb. I'm gonna remove this piece of trim first. As you can see, right here it's held in place by several of these plastic clips. Now the fog light itself is held in place by 3 Phillips screws. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna undo them real fast. I'm gonna pull out the fog light, and I'm gonna undo the connector first. Just pull up on this plastic piece and pull off the connector. I'm gonna twist off the cover, and I'm gonna undo this connector, which plugs into the bulb, just by pulling it off. Now to undo this wire, just press it in and push it to the right, and there's the fog light bulb. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alpha.